everyone, and thank you for joining us for the official premiere of FrameAuth v2. Before we dive into what's new, here's how we got here. FrameAuth began in 2022 after Joel and I exchanged a few DMs about creating a Framer native solution for memberships and gated content. That simple idea quickly became a shared mission. Today, we're the #1 auth platform for Framer, powering more than 5,000 websites. After 2 years of working remotely, Joel and I finally met in person earlier this year and set up an office in England. None of this growth would be possible without your support, and we're excited to show you the future of FrameAuth. We previously supported only Lemon Squeezy. With V2, we're adding Stripe and introducing a universal payment adapter that sets the stage for providers like Polar and Razorpay in the future. V1 relied on license keys and made selling multiple products difficult. V2 removes license keys entirely and makes it easy to sell multiple products, bundles, and access tiers. Customers can purchase, upgrade, downgrade, and manage accounts seamlessly. You can now collect additional details about your users during or after sign up. Usernames, birthdays, roles, business details, anything you need to help better understand your users. We're launching one-click sign-in with Google and GitHub, and we'll be adding additional providers soon. For passwordless sites, V2 adds sign-in via one-time password (OTP) for quick, frictionless access. In V2, we've rebuilt how access controls are handled, and today I'm excited to introduce a new feature that we call tags. Customers are given tags from purchases which grant them access to content throughout your site. You can think of a tag like a digital access card. Tags are the new backbone of authorization logic, and we hope you'll find them to be a delightful improvement. We're introducing our API, allowing you to fetch user data, create users, assign tags, and lock pages programmatically. V2 adds webhooks for real-time syncing with CRMs, automation tools, and custom backends, making advanced automation effortless. Built-in analytics give you real-time visibility into signups, purchases, and subscriptions. The admin dashboard has been completely redesigned to be faster, cleaner, and more intuitive. Users can now upload or update a profile photo directly from your Framer website. Manage multiple FrameAuth projects under a single account, ideal for agencies and creators working on client projects. Invite collaborators to projects and manage permissions without sharing logins. One more small but meaningful update, FrameAuth is becoming FrameAuth. Nothing about our mission is changing, just a more refined identity. V2 is the most powerful and flexible, creator-friendly authentication system ever built for Framer. Whether you're selling digital products, running courses, building memberships, or launching internal portals, V2 is built for your workflow. V2 is live today, and everything you've just seen is available now. Thank you for being a part of this journey, and welcome to the next era of authentication for creators in Framer.